Hi guys, okay, this is all my candles so far that I've made. Some of these candles are going out as a special thank you to a few people on my Facebook and Instagram, and I just love this. I'm not sure what I'm gonna call this. Look at this. Look at the glitter. You see that? I think I want to call this Jolly or Jingle Bells. I maybe call this one Jingle Bells. Okay. Alright, I'm disrupting things in here. And this is going out to someone special. And I'm not sure what I'm going to call that one. This is just a tiny little for a tiny, very tiny room. And this, I mean, the scents are amazing. Look at the glitter. This is going to someone very special, and I hope she likes it, because this is so, I might call this Santa something, some kind of Santa something. And let's not forget this one here. Look at the Christmas joy. I'm using let me tell you what glitter I'm using. I'm using Alaska from Planet X production from the lovely Gail. Thank you, Gail, for this beautiful wine with everything. Is a little bit of the mica, but it's such a sparkly mica, and this goes so much with the scent. I'm gonna call this, I think I'll call this Merry Christmas, I think. Okay, and I just have some testers here that I'm gonna be testing for myself. And this is the same scent as this one here. So that is my haul, where my candles hang out, and this is where I store my candles. All right.